It's too noisy to talk. Oh, it became quiet. Soundproof is a new type of damping sheet developed by using our newly, unique developed damping paint with non-woven fabric. Soundproof provides excellent noise reduction because of effective damping vibration system. Simply affix it to the back of a metal roof to reduce rain noise and create a quiet, comfortable living environment. This graph shows the damping effect of soundproof as waveforms. The vibrations decay rapidly over a short period, ensuring a peaceful atmosphere. A detailed explanation of the mechanism behind its excellent damping effect is described shortly. Non-combustibility and fire prevention. Thermal insulation and dew condensation. Vibration damping and rain noise reduction. Weather resistance and long life. Now, let's dig deeper into Soundproof's outstanding performance. First of all, let's see the mechanism behind the exceptional damping effect of Soundproof. By magnifying the surface of Soundproof under a microscope, we can see the fibers of the non-woven fabric and the resin of the damping paint. Within the resin, abundant fine damping fillers are present. These fillers are the secret behind Soundproof's outstanding damping functionality. This model simulates the mechanism of the damping fillers attenuate vibrations. When vibrations, such as the sound of rain, reach on Soundproof, the damping fillers within the resin rub against each other, then the vibration energy convert into frictional heat and attenuate the vibrations. This is the principle behind the damping function of Soundproof. Next, you will experience the rain noise reduction effect of Soundproof. We conducted a test using an actual steel roof. To simulate heavy rain, water was applied at 150 mm per hour from a height of 5.5 meters. We installed sound meters inside wooden boxes placed underneath the steel roof to reproduce an indoor environment. For comparison, we prepared two additional materials, a steel roof covered with a conventional lining material and a steel roof without any lining material. Let's begin with the rain noise from the roof without any lining material. Next, let's move on with a conventional lining material. Finally, this is the effectiveness of Soundproof. Without any lining material, the rain noise measured at 77.8 decibel, with the conventional lining material reduced till 71.0 decibel. However, Soundproof works more significantly, the noise was only 63.7 decibel. That's more than a 10 decibel gap compared to the other options. You will now experience the damping effect of Soundproof through a comparison of impact sounds. First, the metal panel without any lining material. What about the conventional lining material? Now, let's try with Soundproof. You must have noticed the clear difference between Soundproof and the other options. Soundproof effectively attenuates the loud and harsh metallic noise. The next pictures show the high weather resistance of soundproof. Now, let's talk about the high weather resistance of soundproof. Unlike conventional roof lining materials made of polyethylene that deteriorate and peel off due to UV exposure, soundproof utilizes highly weather-resistant materials such as polyester non-woven fabric, glass fiber felt, and acrylic resin. It maintains its longevity, performance, and beauty for a long time. Not only that, but Soundproof's sheet is non-combustible and have outstanding fire resistance. We compared the fire retardant performance of Soundproof with other products based on our in-house ignition test standards. On the left, the conventional lining material burned out easily. In the middle, the conventional fire retardant lining material is ignited, and flames are rising. On the right, Soundproof is hard to be ignited, and the material on the top is still intact. Next presents the excellent insulation performance of Soundproof. Steel plates without lining material and with Soundproof are placed on a table with a thermometer set. Incandescent lamps disguised as sunlight illuminate to test the insulation performance of Soundproof. The thermometer indicates the room temperature, which is around 25 degrees Celsius. Irradiation started. Let's see what happens after 5 minutes. The heat from the incandescent lamps raised the temperature of the unlined panels to 70 degrees. Whereas Soundproof has stayed in the 50s. The difference became more than 10 degrees. Next is the process of how Soundproof is applied to roofing steel plate and formed. The roofing steel plate is coated with rubber-based adhesive with a roller and then dried and heated in a drying oven. The steel plate with soundproof material pressed onto it and cut into specified dimensions. Finally, the cut steel plate is processed and finished using a forming machine. Soundproof, which has excellent vibration damping performance, is being utilized in various building roofs. These are some examples from our construction results. Single-family homes, housing complex, convention facilities, restaurant in a park, factory building. To wrap it up, here's our lineup of soundproof. SF2R Funan utilizes polyester non-woven fabric. SF2RT is the adhesive-backed version of SF2R Funan. GW4R Funan utilizes glass fiber felt. And 1000HS is a water-based coating type. Changing the world with sound, connecting the future through adhesion. Presented by Koetsu Gas Kogyo Company Limited. Chemicals Division.